Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to online classes of Iqra Hufaz Boys Secondary School, a project of Iqra Education System of Pakistan. This video session is for English text for class 8 and this is lecture number 1. I welcome you all in class 8 and I hope you all are fit and fine by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Today we are starting our first unit and the name of first unit is Friendship and Cooperation. As you know, we always understand words meaning before reading an explanation, so you may not face any difficulty when we read the text. So my dear students, be attentive and look at the board. Here we are starting from the first word. And the first word is sympathetic. Sympathetic. Sympathetic means hamdard. Sympathetic means hamdard. Kind to someone who is sad. How we can use this word in a sentence? Sympathetic. He was the most sympathetic of companions. He was the most sympathetic of companions. The second word is nature lovers. Nature lovers. Nature lover means फितरत से मोहब्बत करने वाला. फितरत से मोहब्बत करने वाला. Those English meaning is those who enjoy nature. Those who enjoy nature. And the exemplary sentence is William Wordsworth was a nature lover. William Wordsworth was a nature lover. The third word is curious. Curious. It is adjective. And its meaning is जानने का ख्वाहिशमंद. जानने का ख्वाहिशमंद. Want to know, willing to know. Exemplary sentence is I am just a curious citizen. I am just a curious citizen. The fourth word is wandered. Wander. It is a verb and its Urdu meaning is bekar घूमना. आवारा गर्दी करना, बेकार घूमना, मारा मारा घूमना. And the English meaning is walked around without any purpose. Walked around without any purpose. For a long time, he wandered in fear from place to place. For a long time, he wandered in fear from place to place. The fifth word is dense. Fifth word is dense. It's an adjective and its Urdu meaning is ghana. Ghana. And its English meaning is thick. South Africa has dense forest. South Africa has dense forest. The sixth word is in vain. In vain. It is an adverbial phrase. It is an adverbial phrase and its meaning is fuzul. Bina kuch hasil kiye, without any success, in vain. He tried in vain to stop the water flow. He tried in vain to stop the water flow. The next word is abandon. Abandon. It's a verb and its meaning is chhodna, chhod dena, to leave completely. An exemplary sentence is, she cannot abandon her babies to her maid. She cannot abandon her babies to her maid. The eighth word is paralyzed. Paralyzed. It's a verb and its Urdu meaning is mafluj hona. Mafluj hona, unable to move. And the exemplary sentence is, he screamed as the burning pain paralyzed him. He screamed as the burning pain paralyzed him. The next word is apologize. Apologize. It's a verb and its Urdu meaning is maafi mangna. Maafi mangna, maafi mazrat talab karna, and its English meaning is saying sorry. Saying sorry. How we can use this word in a sentence? We should apologize for the mistakes. We should apologize for the mistakes. The second last word is whisper. Whisper. Whisper means sargoshi karna. धीरे धीरे से बोलना, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता बोलना. Speak very softly. He whispers his secrets to his mother. He whispers his secrets to his mother. And the last word is embarrassed. Embarrassed. It's an adjective or a verb and its meaning is sharmsar, sharminda hona, ashamed. And the exemplary sentence is, the bad result embarrassed the class. The bad result embarrassed the class. I hope you have understood the meanings, their parts of speech and the sentences. Now, my dear students, take out your diaries and note down the homework. And your homework is, do the words meaning in the notebook and memorize them. The second one is, use the given words in your own sentences. Okay, my dear students, I am sure you will do your homework and we will meet inshallah in the next class. Till then, take good care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum.